So what will start? We'll start with calculation of calculation of GM, and I would write like this: GM final. Okay,
Okay.
how to
Okay.
calculate the final GM?
Okay.
So we need to understand the basics and the principle behind this. All right. So
Okay.
suppose this is a, I think, let me have this figure. Suppose this is your rectangular shape, whatever.
Yes.
And here the dimension is given. I think थोड़ा छोटा बनाते हैं. Yeah, that is fair enough. Suppose this is 6 meter and this is 4 meter. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
It's just the area. So how to find the center of gravity if we take from key? What will be the center of gravity of this? And it is kept in a vertical direction.
Yeah.
Haji, what will be
Sir,
the value of kg?
Sir, kg will be 2 meters.
Exactly. Fantastic. Now, what I'm saying, I added a layer here, which
Okay.
is 1 meter.
Okay.
So the kg will go up,
Yes.
right?
Right.
What will be the new value of kg? And I will call it as kg dash.
Okay.
What will be the new value?
2.5.
2.5. Right. This is very basics. So
Yes.
how does it work? On what basis it works? Actually, we need to take moment. You know what is happening? Suppose initial area we have taken. See, there is a physics here. All right. We have taken area, and the first area is how much? 6 multiplied by
24.
4.
Yeah, 24 meters.
Yeah, 24 meter. And area, I'm taking meter square. Okay.
Yeah.
Instead of writing 24 meter square, I'm simply writing 24. And this 24, let me just mark it. Its distance, kg. ये कितना है? That is 2.
Yes.
So if you multiply anything with the distance, say you have taken this reference, that is called moment. That is called moment of area. Moment of area. So it will be 24 into 2, that is 48.
Yes, sir.
I'm showing you the simple number. And suppose this is meter, so the moment of area will be in cubic meter.
Okay.
Now what we have done, we have added something. And the addition, let me mark with this red color. This area is 6. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
And what is the center of gravity? Say the 1 meter is here, so half of that
0.5.
0.5, but its distance from this
Yeah.
is how much?
Okay. 4.5. That's
4.5. Exactly. You need to understand this concept. 4.5. So what is the moment of area?
so it will be 4.5 multiplied by 6, so it will be 27.
27. Fantastic. So before Hindship, I'm just trying to clear the concept so that it becomes easier. You know exactly what is going on with this. So now the total area. Okay. 1 second. Total area is 30, right?
Yes.
And total moment. Total moment of area is how much? 48 plus 27, that is 75.
Yeah.
So what is the final kg?
It will be 6.5.
Is 75 divided by 30. Total moment divided by total area. So how much value you get?
Sir, it will be 2.5.
2.5. Exactly. See here, you can easily, you can figure it out here.
Okay.
Okay. But
Yes,
here
yes, yes.
we have used the calculation.
Okay.
Because on board ship, you may not be having such a rectangular shaped vessel. So how
Okay.
it is working actually? In physics, they say x is equal to m1 x1, remember?
Yes,
M
sir.
x2
M2 X2 upon my R square,
upon
radius square. Yeah.
m1 plus m2.
Okay.
So m1 plus m2 is total mass.
Okay.
This is this one. And m1 x1, actually, you see this one. m1 x1, m2 x2, ये multiply तो किया आपने, and you get
Yes,
here.
yes, yes.
Okay, it is the same thing. So why are we doing this? We are learning this value or this operation to find the final kg, to obtain final kg. So what we have to do, final kg, let me give you a table. We have to write remark. Then we need to write weight, whatever is the weight. Then we need to write kg. By the way, moment जो लेना है, you can take the moment of area, you can take the moment of volume, right?
Sir, I have a doubt here. What is this moment exactly?
What I'm saying, you can take the moment of area, you can take the moment of volume, you can take the moment of mass or displacement. So what is moment? Anything if you multiply by a distance from a same reference point, that is your moment.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
suppose there is a weight here, and if I take the moment about keel, here actually you need to take moment about keel. That means whatever distances you are taking, you need to take from this reference line.
Yes. Okay.
That's it. So that is the moment of displacement. So this is weight, this is your kg, and since it is vertical direction, you know it very well, this is in vertical direction, so we call it as vertical moment. Okay, so here the weight is ton, kg is in meter, and this unit is in ton
10
meter.
meters. Okay.
Okay, so I am saying you have taken the moment of 1 minute. You have taken the moment of area, right?
Okay.
But if you multiply area by breadth, you get volume, right?
Right.
If you multiplied volume by relative density, you get mass.
Yes.
You multiply it by g, you get weight.
Right. Yes.
So you can take moment of anything as long as you multiply it by a distance from the same reference point. So here the same reference point is your T. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Now it's understandable.
Okay. So now we'll go to a very typical question, a little bit hard also. And for that, we need to have this concept. And I would say better you do this question because there are 2-3 questions. And this also can be considered as mother of many questions. And
Okay.
here, let me give you some more template. So first of all, remark, say initial displacement. Whatever is that, initial displacement, W. And you will have the value of kg, you multiply, you get the value in ton. Now, if you are loading something, you will add.
Yes.
Getting it? The
Yes.
kg also you will add. Vertical moment you will add. No, this kg you will leave it like this. The vertical moment you will add. If you are discharging something, what will
Minus.
happen?
No, weight will minus.
Minus. If you are shifting, let me include shifting. If you are
Yeah.
shifting downward, sorry, let's do this game. If you are shifting upward,
Hmm.
what you are going to do? Add.
Weight will be same.
No.
Add.
Yes. Weight will be same.
Yeah.
I'm
And
just
kg will
increasing
move
by
up.
0. But here the vertical moment will increase. Correct?
Okay.
And if you are shifting downward, again, there won't be impact on weight. But what will happen to the vertical moment?
Decrease. Sir, what about kg?
Okay. So shifting, the kg is the distance shifted. It is kg1 minus kg2. But when you are shifting, there will be initial kg and after shifting, there will be final kg. The difference between the two is the distance shifted.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
And here the distance is downward.
Yeah.
The difference between initial kg and final kg is the d.
Okay.
That is the distance shifted. भाई कोई ऑब्जेक्ट आपका इधर है, इसका kg इधर है और आप उसको इधर लेके गए. So what is the distance shifted? It's kg1, suppose g1, and this is kg2. So
Yeah.
distance shifted is d.
Okay.
I can mark it like this. From this center of gravity to this center of gravity. kg2 minus kg1 in this case. g2 ऊपर है, g2. That is the distance shifted. Make sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
Abhi now I have become little more ambitious.
Okay.
Should I include free surface effect also?
Okay.
So what I am saying, this is free surface effect. Agar suppose there is a tank here. So free surface effect is a effect. It's a temporary effect when the vessel rolls and the tank is slack. What happens? There is a apparent shift of center of gravity. Because of that, a moment is created. That is called free surface moment.
Okay.
Okay. ये free surface moment already इसके अंदर रहता है. Already it is given in picture.
Okay.
And this free surface moment has the tendency to decrease the GM.
Okay.
So what will happen to kg?
So the kg will shift.
Yeah. So this, okay, we can handle it later on, but you can always include this in this table, or we can do it separately. So now we'll come to the question, and let's start solving the question. Okay.
Okay.
We come to the question, we'll get better idea. Should I tell you the question number, or you want to do it?
Okay, sir. It will be okay with question number also. Yeah.
Okay. So that is question number 21.
Question number 21. Okay.
Okay. And you are in V Hindship in condition number 4. V Hindship condition number 4. And it is discharging, and then there is a shifting. Okay. You need to find final kg and GM fluid.
Okay. Okay. So what is this exactly? MV Hindship condition number 4.
Yeah. So we'll come to the first condition number 4. By the way, to help the mariner, the stability booklet is having some solved examples and some ideal conditions. ठीक है? चीफ ऑफिसर जब कार्गो कैलकुलेशन करता है या स्ट्रेस कैलकुलेशन करता है, तो उसकी मदद के लिए एमवी हिंडशिप में या किसी भी स्टेबिलिटी बुकलेट में कुछ स्टैंडर्ड कंडीशंस रहेंगी. ऑलराइट. So straightway, I think I have not familiarized you with this. No problem. That will keep learning by and by. Straightway will come to conditions. This is condition number. यहाँ पे ये दो कंडीशन दो पेज पे रहती है सेम कंडीशन. पहला कंडीशन क्या है? कंडीशन नंबर लाइट शिप fully equipped.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and light ship, you know it, that is the empty
Yes,
ship.
sir. Sure.
So it
Yes,
doesn't
sir.
have any, it doesn't have anything.
Yes, sir.
All right. It doesn't have anything. So what is this weight? 5499.8.
So right now this is same as displacement.
Yeah, तो इसको क्या कहेंगे? इसको कहेंगे लाइट शिप.
Yes, a light ship.
ठीक है. तो पर्टिकुलर्स में तो रहेगा, लेकिन इधर भी रहेगा. You can say that this is light ship.
Yes.
The light ship is given in condition number 4. It will be given in other places also. And what is the light draft? That is also should be given.
Yep. Okay.
Draft
Mean
and
draft.
arc perpendicular.
Yeah.
5.4.
Draft. Yeah. Forward 0.68.
Forward perpendicular is 2.3. That will take at light ship draft. Okay. That means draft at this. Then this condition, it continues on the next page. That is also condition number 1. It tells you this is your KM, this is your GM. All right.
Okay.
This is your plan. And there is something more also about intact stability. At the moment we can skip. Now we have this condition number 2, ship in ballast departure. So ballast में हो गया, we are having the weight, then we are having kg. Then obviously you multiply this, you will get vertical movement. Okay. Okay. So you remember the table here, which I was saying, weight, kg, and vertical movement. Okay.
Okay.
So here you are already, it is being calculated. One
Yes,
thing,
okay.
one thing you should not, if you multiply, the value may be slightly different. देखो पहला चीज करो 106
into 6.1
multiplied by 6.31.
669.49.
66.
Yeah, almost same.
Almost same. 669.491. So which one you should take?
So I think which is in the table, I think.
Yes, take the given value. All right, here I am writing the notes. Vertical moment, if it is given, you take the value. Vertical moment, take the given value. All right.
All right.
And if it is not given, then calculate, then multiply. So we have come this condition number 2. Then we go here, ship in ballast, blah, blah, GM fluid, kg, everything is given. Condition number 3. So what is given here in condition number 4? Let's come to the condition number 4. What is the name of condition number 4?
Departure.
Departure. ठीक है. 4 peak tank खाली है. तो number 1 DB tank भरा हुआ है. Number 2 DB tank port and starboard, and so on. Right?
Right. Okay.
We'll come to the end. Displacement. What is the displacement here?
19617.
So this is given in condition number 4, right?
Yes, yes.
This is the final displacement. This value is also given.
Yes.
This is kg. This is W. This is kg. And this is vertical moment.
Moment, yes.
Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So we have already got first line. MV Hindship in condition number 4. So let's write the values remark. Then let's write weight. यूनिट जरूर लिख देना, टन्स,
Okay. Okay.
meter and vertical moment. Okay, and that
Okay.
is meter ton.
Hmm.
First remark is number 4 condition, displacement. And what is the value of displacement?
19617.
19617 kg,
Yes. 7.272.
7.272. No need to multiply
Okay. So
because it's already given.
142648. Yes. Yes.
See, it is already given. Let me just go back here. 142648.
Correct. Yes.
समझ आया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. समझ गए.
2648. So
Hmm.
our first line is completed.
Yes, sir.
Now अभी क्या बोलता है? Discharges entire cargo from number 1 twin deck.
1 twin deck and number 3.
Number 3 twin deck. So let's talk about number 1.
Twin deck.
Sorry. Number 1 twin deck. Usually twin decks are the feature on general cargo ship. Discharge करेगा तो क्या आएगा? This sign will be minus.
Minus. Okay.
All right. And now
Alright.
we'll go back to the condition. We'll go back to the condition. Number 1 twin deck. आया कहीं?
Yes, sir. 681.7.
और ये kg है, ये इसका vertical moment है.
Yes, sir. दिया हुआ.
So we'll write it down.
Okay.
681.7.
1.7. Yes, sir.
11.17. और vertical moment
And-
क्या करेंगे? Are we going to?
Take from the table. 7615. Oh, minus.
7615.
15.
Clear enough?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now he's seeing this is the lengthy problem, nothing else. Nowadays, if you
Yes,
have
sir.
ship, all the softwares, it's
Yes, sir. Lubricator and
number 3 twin deck.
Yeah.
We are discharging from number 3 twin deck also. Minus
right. Yes, sir.
minus will come back here. Number 3 twin deck, this one.
Yes, sir.
887.
887.7.
इतना हमने निकाल दिया.
Okay.
887.7, 10.37, 9205.
5.
Okay. 887.7, 10.370, and again I am going to put minus sign. That is
9205.
अच्छा, इतना काफी नहीं था. ये से it says the entire
Heavy fuel oil.
ship from the settling and service tank, port and starboard is shifted to number 4 DV tank.
Yeah.
So we need to. Okay. I think we can conclude here only, or this is shifting
Okay.
and shifting, settling and service tank, port and starboard, S and S tank to 4 DB.
Or as starboard. 4 dB. 40. Port and starboard.
तो सबसे पहले settling and service tank में जाएंगे. Let's have a look at the settling and service tank. See, after cargo and everything, there should be, I think, there is something HFO. Here this is.
Yeah.
There
Yes, sir.
is
Yeah. HFO settling and service.
This is settling and
Yeah.
service tank.
Port and starboard.
और इसको शिफ्ट किया. कहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया?
Number 4.
4 DB टैंक.
Midfielder button tank. Port and starboard.
ये 4 DB टैंक में आएगा कि नहीं आएगा?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
4 DB टैंक सेंटर में. Yes. भाई एक जो.
Yeah. 4 DB tank center. Yeah.
This is empty.
Okay.
One thing we know, this is empty, so we can easily transfer, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But we should know whether we can transfer this 131 ton or not.
Capacity. We should know the capacity.
We should know the capacity. Although he's not asking in question, people are blindly doing it. But
Okay.
as a due diligence, as a prudent mariner, you should know. So for
Okay.
that's why I have not familiarized you initially with this. But by and by, as we need, we'll keep familiarizing you with the Hindship. All right.
Okay.
सारा चीज समझने की जरूरत नहीं, जितना क्वेश्चन में जिस चीज की जरूरत है वो डाटा हमें निकालना आना चाहिए.
Okay.
देखो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया दे रखा है. इससे पहले पेज 13, हाँ ये आ गया ना कैपेसिटी.
Okay.
सारी कैपेसिटी दे रखी है.
Page number 15. Yes, capacities.
What is the capacity?
Number 4, dB tank potence starboard. So 100% full 127.4 for one tank. And for center is 257.4.
Yeah, 257.4 cubic meter.
Yeah.
100%
We
fuel.
have-
You have to take this one only. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
257.4 cubic meter. तो
Yes.
आराम से आ जाएगा.
Yes, sir. आ जाएगा.
Not a problem. 131 ton, right?
Yes.
Service tank is 131 ton. और कहाँ से शिफ्ट हो रहा है? Settling and service tank. What is the value
Yes, sir.
of settling and service tank? You remember? Okay, first of all, try to remember the kg of this. Center tank is kg is how much?
0.63.
0.63. So
Okay.
this is kg2. 0.63. kg1 कितना है वो निकालना पड़ेगा. निकालना क्या, कैलकुलेट थोड़ी करना है हमको. We'll come to the condition number 4.
Okay.
Condition number 4. All right. It should be given here.
Yes, sir. 6.09.
6.09. Okay.
Okay. Sir, I have a doubt again. Sir, what is the difference in kg1 and kg2?
That is the distance. This is the distance which you shift
Okay.
cargo.
Okay. Okay. But sir, this kg2 you took from this table, जो कि सर पीछे कैपेसिटीज वाला था. तो सर यहाँ पे इनको क्या पता हमने कितना कार्गो शिफ्ट किया है?
It is given in the
क्वेश्चन
question.
तो वो तो क्वेश्चन है ना सर, पर टेबल में थोड़ा ना.
I didn't get your question. Could you just repeat again?
सर kg2 का जो वैल्यू हमने 0.63 लिया है वो हमने यहाँ टेबल से लिया है. और सर
जो टैंक की कैपेसिटी वाली टेबल है.
ये सब वहां से लिया. ठीक है. ठीक है. वो तो मैं देख लिया सर, पर ये डिपेंड नहीं करेगा कि हमने कितना कार्गो शिफ्ट किया या फिर कितना कार्गो लोड अनलोड किया, तो उस पर डिपेंड नहीं करेगा ये.
करेगा. So very good
उसमें
question.
चलेगा तो फिर तो वेरिएबल होना चाहिए. तो
Exactly. मतलब ये इसका केजी का वैल्यू थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए.
सर कितना कम या ज्यादा तो सर मेरे एग्जैक्टली नहीं समझ में आ रहा अभी, पर
Okay.
कुछ
So
कांस्टेंट
what
में
they,
सकता है.
हाँ, yes, बिल्कुल absolutely right. You know what happens? Why they are saying? Because you don't know how much. Do you know the RD of this?
नो सर, नो.
It is not given in the question. So
Yeah.
with the RD, you need to find the volume occupied, and then you have the capacity which is 257 point something, and then you
Yes,
need
yes,
to
yes.
work out how much is the volume of 131, and then calculate. And maybe that center tank, this is the rectangular or whatever the shape, and then accordingly half of that will be kg2. It will be very tedious question. If somebody asks,
Yes.
If we have to go to that extent, then we have to go to that extent also. So what is happening on a practical term? Okay, whatever cargo we are shifting, whatever kg is given here, this in the table, just we simply
Capacity
take
table.
that capacity table.
Okay.
उससे क्या होगा? There will be some error, all right?
Yes.
But that error will be on the safer side.
Okay.
Okay, if you work out that there will be lesser GM, and that's what we want. Actually, the GM should be more.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is called error on safer side. I think that in Captain Subramanian's stability question number 11, 12, or 13, he has already described this point.
Okay.
Have a look about this free surface effect and free surface correction.
Okay,
So
sir.
instead of computing, ideally and theoretically, if I need to have some class for mates and master level, yes, we have to go that this is the way, this is the liquid, and I'm transferring this liquid here. How much space it is occupying? Maybe it is not full. Obviously, it is not full. It is partly full. If it is partly full, so this much space it's occupying. What will be its kg? We need to compute.
Okay.
But here in this case, although it is partly full, what we are doing, we are just simply taking the kg of whatever is the value of kg. Kitna hai? 6.09.
Yes, sir.
That's it. We have directly taken.
Okay.
It will cause some error, but that error will be on our advantage.
Okay. We can do this in exam, right?
Yes,
This
it is allowed.
Okay.
So how much is the distance shifted?
Okay, so 6.09 minus 0.63. 5.4.
5.09 minus
0.63.
0.63. हाँ जी, 5.46.
Yes, sir.
5.46. अब इसका तो मोमेंट दिया हुआ नहीं है. We need to calculate. अच्छा.
Yeah.
The basic principle is, tell me whether I am going to add or subtract.
Sir, what, sir?
This vertical moment. ये भी तो vertical moment है ना? This
Yes,
shifting
sir.
का, this and this. Should I?
Yes.
This multiplication I should add. The multiplication, it is 715. What sign I should put? Plus or minus?
Oh, sir, minus.
Why?
Because, sir, at that time we also subtracted. I don't know the exact reason, but I think this because we did.
If it is going down, if you are shifting something down, you got to subtract vertical moment.
Yeah.
If you are shifting up, you got to add.
Add. Yeah.
Okay. Or shifting ko just as a mark, what I'll say 0, so that I know that I don't add up by mistake.
Okay.
So let's find the final weight. Can you give me final weight?
Okay.
And final vertical moment. Final vertical moment.
7 minus 8. Sir, final weight 18047.6.
18047.6.
0.6, yes.
And
Tons.
final vertical moment is 125113. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the final kg? Haji?
Final kg.
Sorry. What is final kg? Final kg is final vertical moment
Divide by
final weight.
weight.
दोनों को डिवाइड कर दो. थ्योरी मैंने ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूं.
Yes, sir. 6.93.
6.92.
93.
Three,
Yeah.
please.
Okay. 6.932.
Okay. Now, one more thing. We need to find final KM.
Yes.
Final KM किस पे निकालेंगे? We need to work on this.
Yes, sir. Shifting.
The final displacement by final KM for final displacement. Right? So what we'll say, let's go to the table. Remember the table
Yes,
page
sir.
number 7 and 8.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I need to scroll it up again. Page number 7. Let's see. Yeah. And displacement. Oh, it will be on the next page.
Okay.
How much is the displacement? 18047.6.
Yes, sir.
18047.6. तो यहाँ पे आ जाओ.
Somewhere between 8.6 and 8.8. Yeah.
8.4 to 8.6, right?
Yeah. 8.4.
ये वैल्यू लेने पड़ेंगे. और इधर कौन सा वैल्यू लेना पड़ेगा? KM.
KM का transfers.
Okay. So I'll just move this file here so that I am able to write it down. So whatever I marked, I'm just writing here 17598. It takes 1 minute to interpolate. All right. 8.292. The second one is 18081. Many guys may feel little 8.318. Nowadays with the Excel, it hardly takes any time. So
Yeah.
what is the difference? Let's do it. It's not. It doesn't
Okay.
take more than a minute.
Okay.
17598 minus 18081. 483. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference in KM? 8.292 minus 8.318. How much you are getting? 0.026. Am I right?
So 8.316.
Okay. You are able to find the final value?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
8 for this weight.
Okay.
8.316.
Okay. Let me also calculate. 1818047.6. This difference. 18047.6 minus 17598. If you know the shortcut, then again do let me know. 449.6. This value will get 449.6 multiplied by 0.026 divided by 483. Okay.
Yeah.
Into 0.026 divided by 483. I get this value 0.024, and this 0.24 it's increasing. 0.042. This will come here. We have to add. All right.
Yeah.
So final KM is how much? Plus 8.292. 8.316.
6. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the GM? Difference? KM
Yes,
minus
sir. KM minus kg.
KM minus kg. That's what you have already studied in intact stability.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जरा घटाओ जरा 6.6 sorry,
8.316.
8.316 minus 6.932. 1.38.
1.38.
So these kind of questions are there up to question number, I think 18, 19 something, or up to question number 17. By the way, this GM is solid.
Okay, yeah.
This GM is solid
Solid.
because it is not considering the free surface effect.
Effect. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But now we need to consider the free surface effect also.
Okay. GM fluid.
Yeah. How to figure it out? Very simple. Let's come here. Let's go to the condition number 4. Condition number 4. Okay. It takes time. Condition number 4. So, see, what is the free surface effect? Let me just give you some quick recap.
Okay.
You remember or you don't remember?
Sir, a recap will be better.
Okay, fair enough. Free surface effect. What happens? It happens to the tank which are partly
Slide. Yeah. Slide.
partly filled tank. And there is a name called slack tank also. It happens to the slack. And in these tank, the liquid is free to move. Liquid is
To move.
free to move. So let me just explain you with the help of diagram. That will be I think I need to create 2 diagrams. So this is upright condition.
Okay.
And this is the when the ship has
Rolling.
rolled.
Yeah.
Like this. Okay. So perhaps we need to do a little bit drawing also. Never mind. So suppose there is a tank here. Okay, a small tank. And the first condition is the vessel is upright. So vessel is upright. Suppose this is the center line.
Yes, sir.
So there is something called point here, and I would say if weight is acting vertically downward like this, and there is a force of buoyancy which is acting vertically upward. Let me just mark with a different color. Okay. तो यहाँ पे mark कर देते हैं. Force of buoyancy is here, and this is the center of gravity, right?
Gravity. Yeah, yes. Okay.
ये upright condition है, and this ship is filled with liquid. This is liquid. This is the
Okay.
tank.
Hmm.
It is filled like this.
Okay.
So if it was solid, there was no problem. The life would have been much easy. But since it is liquid, now the liquid inside the tank will also move like this
Yes, sir. It will move yeah, vertically.
to the lower side.
It
Getting
goes.
it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो पहले तो इसका बनाते हैं. Suppose this is the center line. Okay. And suppose G is here. Okay. G तो सेम ही रहेगा ना इधर. G तो इधर ही है.
Yes, sir. G
Right.
same रहेगा.
Right.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
लेकिन
B
ये
will
कहानी
change.
होगी भाई. तेरा जो था this small kg, this
Yes.
small g has shifted to this g.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
GG1. Yeah.
The center of gravity of the liquid has shifted to the lower side if it was rolled like this. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Makes sense.
That means there will be shift in the center of gravity. Very small shift.
Yes, sir.
There will be very small shift in the center of
Gravity.
gravity. तो अगर ये सॉलिड होता तो क्या होता? The force of buoyancy would have been like this, and force of buoyancy would have act like this,
Vertically downwards, yeah.
vertically downward. I think no, force of buoyancy तो ऐसे काम करता है ना भाई, ऊपर की तरफ.
Yes, the force of buoyancy ऊपर की तरफ.
Force of buoyancy इधर काम करता है और जी इधर काम
Force of
करता है,
gravity, force of gravity नीचे. Yes.
right?
Right.
लेकिन कहानी ये है कि थोड़ा सा because of the shift the g has shifted, so I'm just removing
Yes,
it.
sir.
What is happening? Your g is acting like this now, weight is acting like this. So ये लीवर जो था तेरा GZ की जगह, the lever is shifted to this one only, G dash
Yes,
and
sir.
G dash.
Writing lever.
राइटिंग लीवर कम हो गया. मैं इधर
Yes,
लिख
sir.
देता हूँ, GZ is reduced
Reduced.
to G dash
Is
Z.
that Z dash?
Make sense?
Yes, sir. Makes sense.
तो पहला चीज तो था ये G and M. GM को क्या बोलते हैं
Yes.
बेटा? GM को बोलते हैं
Metacentric.
सॉलिड,
GM solid.
मेटासेंट्रिक.
Yeah.
लेकिन अब ये शिफ्ट हो गया तो इसका मतलब है ये यहाँ पे दिस इज वर्टिकल.
Yes, sir.
This GM is shifted.
Yes, sir.
तो effective GM चूंकि ये तेरा W है, this is your W, so effective GM is this one only, GVM. This is your effective GM.
Yes, sir.
Since your GZ is reduced, so तेरा GM भी तो reduce हो जाएगा ना. ट्रायंगल एक बड़ा
Yes, sir.
ट्रायंगल
Reduce हो
था,
जाएगा.
एक छोटा ट्रायंगल हो गया तो ये भी रिड्यूस हो गया ना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्लियर?
Yes, sir. Clear.
अब ये जो रिड्यूस हुआ GM, इसको कहेंगे फ्री सरफेस GM फ्लूइड. क्या कहेंगे इसको?
GM fluid. GM fluid.
GM फ्लूइड. और कितना रिड्यूस हुआ? इट इज रिड्यूस बाय अमाउंट GGV.
G1.
तो कहेंगे फ्री
GGV.
सरफेस करेक्शन.
Okay.
इसको कहेंगे
Free surface correction.
फ्री सरफेस करेक्शन. और ये क्यों हुआ रिड्यूस? बिकॉज देयर वाज ए पार्टली फिल्ड
Filled tank slab.
करेक्ट. एंड दिस पार्टली फिल्ड टैंक, इसने क्या किया तुम्हारे साथ? तुम्हारा जो है सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑफ द शिप वाज शिफ्टेड because of the shifting of liquid inside the tank.
Yes, sir.
If the ship comes to upright, what will happen?
So it will again come back to
GGV होगा ही नहीं. If the
Yes,
ship
sir.
is upright, that's why it is
हाँ, नहीं
called
होगा.
virtual loss of GM.
No. GM. Okay.
बहुत ज्यादा पूछा जाता है सेकंड में ओरल में, ये डायग्राम बना के
Okay.
पूछा जाता है. Virtual loss of GM. So we are trying to cover many aspects in this one question. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this is
Okay.
called virtual loss of GM. And the entire phenomena is called
Free surface effect.
free surface effect. अब इसको निकालने का तरीका क्या है भाई? ये भी तो केजी का भाई है ना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये के है, ये
Yeah.
केजी है, ये केजी G1, यही तो निकाल रहे हो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो जो मोमेंट तुमने पहले वाले में लिए वो भी मोमेंट इसमें ले सकते हो. इफ यू रिमेम्बर व्हाट आई वाज बिकमिंग बिट एम्बिशियस, आई वाज सेइंग कि फ्री सरफेस मोमेंट भी यहीं पे करके देखेंगे, लगा के देखेंगे. But
Okay,
then
sir.
I got a bit cautious. Maybe it will be too overloaded system. What we'll do, we'll find the separate free surface correction. So
Okay.
very simple. Suppose in your pocket you have 10 rupees. I'm giving you example, right? And you spend, suppose you had 100 rupees and then you spend 10 rupees. What will be balance?
90.
90. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Same logic here. What is the logic? भाई मेरा शिप जो था कौन सी कंडीशन में था?
Light
What is
shape.
the condition number?
Condition number 4. Yeah.
Condition number 4, right?
Yeah.
And what is this?
Okay, free surface.
It's already given,
Okay.
right? In condition number 4, what is the free surface moment?
1372.
Correct. 1372. So
72.
let's write it down. Free surface moment, condition number 4 is how much? 1372 metric ton.
Yes.
Fair enough?
Yes, sir, fair enough.
Now
Okay.
what you did? You emptied settling and service tank.
Yes, sir.
Empty settling and service tank. Again we'll come to the condition. Settling and service tank कहाँ है भाई?
HFO. Yeah.
HFO, settling and service tank. Is it having some free surface moment?
Yes, sir. Having 1515.
So this we have made it empty. That means the tank is empty, so there is no free surface moment.
Yes, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
What should I do? 15 ton. Should I add or subtract in order to find the final free surface moment?
Sir, nothing but the tank is empty.
Tank is empty. मैंने पहले लिख दिया. Tank is empty.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yeah.
15 should be added or subtracted?
Sir, I think nothing.
No. Subtracted.
Because the tank is empty, so
Okay. But this tank 15 is part of this. ये ऐड करके निकाला है ना यहाँ पे 1372.
oh, okay. Yes. हाँ, ठीक है.
ओके.
Yes, sir.
1372 के अंदर ये टैंक भी लिया है जिसके अंदर
Yes, sir,
15
yes,
ये
sir.
था.
Okay.
So we need to subtract. Now, where is this oil gone? Settling and service tank का. It has gone to number 4.
So number 4, the bottom
Center.
portion, sir. Number 4, tanks center.
अब वापस काम आएगी हमारी चीज.
Okay.
नंबर 4 सेंटर का इसका निकालने का एक तरीका समझिए. एक होता है
Okay.
मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया
Yes,
और
sir.
उसमें डेंसिटी जोड़ दो. आरडी से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. इट गिव्स यू
Okay.
फ्री सरफेस मोमेंट.
Okay.
The moment of inertia, and this is called second moment of area. Okay, I into di.
Okay.
I will tell you what exactly I'm doing. Welcome to, I think, page number 19. Just don't stress your yeah, I need to shift like this only. Okay, immersion table, page number 23, 21. Okay, yeah. So here you have the table,
Yes, sir.
page number 18 onward. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so here they have made your life easy and simple.
Okay.
What they are saying, and the formula is written here.
Okay. Loss of
The moment of inertia is given here of the various
Yes, sir.
tanks. Okay,
Yes,
so moment of inertia of 4 dB tank center is given
sir. Yes, sir. It's 1408.
1408 meter raised to the power 4.
Sorry.
That is the unit. ठीक है जी. और इसका आगे भी दे रखा है. फ्री सरफेस मोमेंट कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, उसमें स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी की मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए.
Okay.
All right. So here I'm giving you the remark. Number 4 center tank. What is the moment of inertia? Moment of inertia. MOI is given as 1408 cubic meter. Meter raised to the power 4. Sorry. That is given on
Okay.
page number. If you want, I'll give you PDF also.
Sir, I have the book.
You have the book. Okay. This is given on which page? From which page
Sir,
you
it's from page number 18, sir.
Page number 18. If you want, you can put a remark so that you don't get confused. Page number 18, this information. What is the next information? You need to find the density, relative density of HFO.
Yes, sir.
You need to find relative density of HFO. Then only you
Yes, sir.
need
Yes,
to
sir.
find the. So where you will find the relative density of HFO? Let's see. Although I have the shortcut. First, let me teach you the shortcut. He has already. This is what he has taken, 0.95.
Okay.
HFO, 0.95. Diesel oil, it is taken 0.88. On board ship, you
Okay.
have to take actual. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is the time to familiarize this booklet. So काम की चीज है, we'll pick up at this stage. This is the length
Okay.
overall. These are the parameters which you should remember. 143.
Yes, sir. 143.16.
Okay. Maximum displacement,
Yes, sir.
9617. And this stability curve at the moment, you can forget it. And metric conversion, no need. Nowadays, you have the calculator. Just
Yes, sir.
forget it. Hydrostatic particulars, you have been using it. I think some
Okay.
pages are not scanning, so can't help it. And
Capacities.
capacities, tanks, these are the spaces. Domestic. Okay. Diesel oil tank. Engine room. Something is there. And these are the tank capacities.
Yes.
Ballast water tank. Fit in tons. Oh, I think some portion is missing. Anyway, when you'll see, you will find this HFO is taken as 0.95. Diesel oil is taken as 0.88. Okay.
Okay.
Just remember that. All right.
Okay.
So maybe I need to just take another one and find it out. It is given there. Okay. Take it for granted. All right.
Okay.
So HFO is given as
Yes.
the relative density is given as 0.95. On board ship, actually, you need to ask engine room and find it out. What is the actual density?
Yes.
So 1408 into 0.95. How much is the moment?
It would be
1337.6 metric.
Yes, sir. 1337.6.
But this tank is empty, right? Because you know the capacity.
Right.
The capacity was 257 and we put only 131. The tank is slack. This tank is slack.
Yes.
This tank is
Yes,
slack.
sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yeah, now it's slack.
this free surface moment has to be added, but because 4 dB center has become slack.
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
So final free surface moment. Why you had 10 rupees, you subtracted 10 rupees, you added 20 rupees. What will be the final? Accordingly, you can find out. Right?
Yes.
So same thing we need to do it here. We had initial free surface moment, then 15 ton was removed because the tank became slack. Empty. Then another tank became slack. So we got to add. We need to find the final surface, free surface moment. And it comes how much? 2694.6. Are you able to do the maths?
Yes, sir. We just added this 1372 plus 1337.6 minus 15.
Hmm.
Right. Okay.
Now I'll give you the formula. Final FSC, they're like final kg. Final FSC is final free surface moment divided by final displacement. बात समझ आया कि नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
So final free surface moment is 2694.
2694.6.
And final weight, final displacement, तो हम कैलकुलेट कर चुका ऑलरेडी.
Yes, sir. 18047.6.
18047.6. 18047.6. Find out final FSC. 2694.6 minus
Divided by
18047.6.
divided by
047.6. How much you are getting?
For final FSC is 0.149. 2696.454.
0.149 meter.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Final FSC. And what was the GM solid?
So GM solid, it was
GM solid, we had already calculated.
yes, sir.
1.384.
Yeah, 1.384.
1.384 meter. Can't you find final GM? GM fluid.
Yes, sir.
And you know it very well. FSC has to be subtracted. Yes.
Yes, sir. So 1.23.
1.235.
234. Yeah.
235 आना चाहिए.
Yeah, 5. 1 point. Yeah.
That's it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope it is not a problem. You are able to work out everything. All you have to do, slowly go to the question number 22.
Okay.
And 22 is very interesting. Let me just tell you the briefing about this. Question number 22, he has not given any condition. Question number 22.
22, yes.
He has given the forward draft 8.
Yes, sir. After 5.38.
फर्क क्या पड़ता है? 5.38.
Yes, sir.
And our draft is 6.17 meter.
Yeah.
All right. And he has given the GM.
Yes, fluid.
GM solid दे दिया. Sorry.
Fluid, yes.
Fluid दे दिया. Final 0.83 meter. And he has given the FSC.
FSC
0.092 meter. What we have to do, and it discharges in blah blah, right? And loads.
Yes, sir.
And distribution, calculate her final GM. तो मेरा पहला टारगेट क्या है? पहला टारगेट है ये टेबल बनाना. रिमार्क, वेट, kg, right?
kg and p, yeah.
Vertical moment.
Vertical moment.
चाहे तो यूनिट लिख लो, नहीं तो लिख मीटर.
Yes, sir.
and meter. Right? We'll follow this.
Yes, sir.
अब पहली इंफॉर्मेशन हमको क्या चाहिए? वेट चाहिए.
सर या वेट. उसके लिए
वेट निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? हमारे पास कंडीशन नहीं दे रखी है.
नहीं सर,
हमारे पास ड्राफ्ट दे रखी है, फॉरवर्ड एंड आफ्ट ड्राफ्ट.
यस सर. हाइड्रोस्टैटिक ड्राफ्ट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट.
तो पहले तो मीन ड्राफ्ट निकाल ले.
यस सर.
मेन ड्राफ्ट निकल गया, जो भी आया.
यस सर.
ट्रिम निकाल लिया.
हाँ, ट्रिम निकल गया.
ट्रिम निकाल लिया. और मीन ड्राफ्ट निकालने से एलसीएफ निकाल लिया.
यस सर. एलबीपी पता है अपने को 143.16.
पता है. करेक्शन आ गया.
यस सर, करेक्शन आ गया.
करेक्शन आ गया. ट्रिम इनटू एलसीएफ डिवाइड बाय एलबीपी.
एलबीपी.
और करेक्शन अप्लाई करने पर आपका हाइड्रोस्टेटिक ड्राफ्ट आ गया.
यस सर.
हाइड्रोस्टेटिक ड्राफ्ट से आपने क्या निकाल लिया?
वेट डिस्प्लेसमेंट.
ये आ गया.
हाँ.
ठीक है. I hope you are
Yes.
able to understand the working.
Yes, yes, yes.
अब इसी हाइड्रोस्टेटिक ड्राफ्ट से डिस्प्लेसमेंट निकाला, इससे एक चीज और निकाल लो मेरे लिए,
KM. Okay. Transverse.
केएम ट्रांसवर्स, करेक्ट। अभी जो केएम निकालोगे तो इससे एक काम करते हैं जरा, क्या फार्मूला होता है? केएम
KM is equal to kg
माइनस केजी
minus kg is equal
इज
to
इक्वल टू जीएम सॉलिड।
GM. Yeah.
मेक सेंस?
Yes, sir.
यही तो पढ़ता है अभी तक। केएम
Yes, sir.
ट्रांसवर्स, केजी निकाल लिया तो ये आ गया जीएम सॉलिड। और जीएम सॉलिड में एक चीज और है, तुम्हारे पास तो जीएम सॉलिड ही नहीं दे रखा।
GM fluid दे रखा सर।
जीएम सॉलिड माइनस एफएससी इज इक्वल टू जीएम फ्लूइड।
यस सर, तो GM सॉलिड आ जाएगा और फिर उसे kg आ जाएगा।
तो आपको क्या निकालना, आपको निकालना था केजी। इस इक्वेशन को
यस
एक
सर।
साथ करो, देखो अभी एक
यस
चीज
सर, आ
कर लो तो
जाएगा।
समझ में आ जाएगा। केएम
हाँ हाँ।
माइनस केजी इज
इज
इक्वल
इक्वल
टू
टू
जीएम
FS
सॉलिड हो जाएगा जीएम फ्लूइड प्लस एफएससी।
fluid plus FSC. Yes.
मेक सेंस?
Yes, sir, makes
व्हाट इज
sense.
जीएम? हमको निकालना केजी।
kg
केजी निकालने के लिए केजी को ले गया मैं राइट साइड में, बाकी
KM
सब
minus
केएम माइनस जीएम
GM
फ्लूइड
fluid minus FSC. Yes, sir.
कितना आसान आ गया। केएम यहाँ से निकाल लिया,
Yes, sir.
केएम यहाँ से दे रखा है, एफएससी यहाँ से दे रखा है, भाई जो भी केजी है लिख दे इधर।
ठीक है।
बाकी सारा क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही है जैसा कि आपने अब से पहले किया है।
ओके, ठीक है सर।
My recommendation is these two questions, please do it. If you are able
Okay.
to do these questions, you can try other questions also, 15, 16, 17. They are same, that will be too simple. You'll be wasting time. Now the mother of question is question number 23, that I would suggest once you practice these two questions, then only try to attempt the question number 23, where everything so far he has not mentioned. That means we have taken for granted that we are working in salt water. Okay.
Okay.
Question number 23, situation will change. We will be working in river port and with some relative density.
Okay.
So never mind. But
Okay.
at the